camera, not the video, by the way.
Okay.
Alright. We are in our tent, in our garage, because this is where we slept last night. Because we were gonna try and sleep outside in the tent. But it was supposed to thunderstorm all night last night, and it didn't! Come here. So we have all the kitties in here.
Almost all of them.
Except for Gizmo. Because he was sleeping on top of the chicken.
Shadow, look. You're going to be on the interweb.
He loves the interweb.
The interweb.
He loves my phone.
No, he doesn't. He's not even looking.
Yes, he does.
He's not even looking.
Look at it. Okay. Here's Brad.
Brad's my friend.
When I was carrying, she's opening the videos for more. She's opening the windows for more light. I got Screech.
Is it better?
A little bit, I guess. Like we said, we're in the garage. Oh, that was adorable. Look what he did. I had to carry. Oh, you can't see it. I had to carry both of them. Both Screech and Shadow in because she had to watch the other ones. Look at what Screech did. Shadow. Do you see that? You see that? I have a gouge in my skin. Brad, I keep forgetting where to look on my phone because we have it crooked so we can fit all of us in there. That looks really weird. Look at how cute he is. Just sitting on my lap.
There you go. You can just stay right there. This is better. It's way lighter in here now.
Yes, it is. Yep. Are you going to climb up in my lap too? Look at what you did. Is that ouchie?
No, we're not going to climb up the window.
Don't make a hole.
Brad just bit me.
So maybe, if you guys are lucky and we sleep outside tonight, we'll make her more. Shadow! I got that on video! Oh my god!
Are you serious?
Yes, I got it on the video!
Let's not do that. That's naughty. Should I roll them up? And...
Come here. I've never heard him cry.
I don't like it.
I've never heard you cry, honey.
Did Pretzel leave again?
Yeah.
You guys see him gnawing on my fingers?
I'm gonna go show them. Oh.
Look at this. Look at.
I don't want to put him down.
What are we gonna show them?
Where Pretzel's at?
They don't need to see it. It's okay.
I want to. I'll be right back, okay? He's so adorable. I'm sorry, I just stepped on your bag. I'm gonna flip it this way. Oh! Get down!
I think we need to put him back out.
What?
We need to put him back out.
He's a playful Pete.
He's causing too much trouble.
Do you see her? There she is! Honey, why do you like it right here? Are you just gonna fall asleep? I'm scared that I'm gonna forget to take her out and she's gonna be in here. What? What?
We should bring him back out. He's causing a ruckus and he's gonna tear holes in your tent.
I'll go running
Sorry
back
for my
out.
ugly hand.
I'll go running back out.
Okay, well I'm gonna pause it then.
Okay. We're back. We had to bring the other two because
You were being naughty.
Pretzel wasn't having a good time anymore. So we hurried up and did that. Noises. But if we move it outside, maybe we'll video some more.
I don't really want to go outside.
I do. I think it'd be nice. I have my big, huge wolf blanket.
What does that have to do with anything?
I don't know.
Where's your camera at? Above or below?
There. Like my fingernails, I did this one orange, this one purple. Wait. This one is a dark purple. It looks black. This one is an orange. Pinky.
My feet
blue.
hurt. I'm taking off my socks.
And another darker.
So this is like basically vlogs, I guess, huh?
And then I did my toesies.
Don't show them your ugly feet.
I know. They're all dirty.
Yeah, where are you going?
Oh, I told that I was going to show them more off anyways. Wait.
I'm
People,
sorry.
it's summer. Feet get dirty. It's kind of like a shimmery pink. Oh, stay here. You're the only other kitty in here. Look at Brad. He's just like, oh my gosh. What?
They're so cute.
You have ear mites.
You need to like see their little faces.
Okay. Look it. He's so cute. I can't feel it. Oh my gosh.
Great. You're supposed to look at the camera.
Okay.
He's so awkward. It's cute.
Oh.
Yeah, they get it. There's a long section of silence.
We really have nothing to talk about. She was just going through my videos and she was like, Cause she was like, well, I'm not supposed to be in the videos. And I said, we did the jelly bean challenge together. And she's like,
Wait, is that on here?
Yeah. It is. It should be.
Oh my gosh, this one must have little George in it, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
Hey, I remember those shoes. And these pants. I still have these pants. Oh my gosh, he looks like Brad.
I know. Brad, you look just like your big brother that you never met. I'm sorry.
Look.
Look at!
You see? Oh no, go back to his face.
I was very mean to him, but he loved me. He loved me very much.
He died during the winter though. Was it the winter?
Yes, it was.
Which winter?
Yes.
Oh.
He would be 1 year old.
Pretty soon. This summer.
Wait, actually, he would be 1 year old. This past June. We found him when he was about 5 weeks.
Yep. He was in under like the seat of an old car. It was kind of gross.
You can fall asleep on me. Look at his eyes. Pencils are brown.
They look like my ex-boyfriend's eyes.
Yes, they're like coffee color brown. I still like Nick's eyes.
Over.
I don't like Nick, but I
Those
don't
bugs
like his
takes
eyes.
over. Play with my toes. Aren't they long and scary? I sound so dumb on camera.
I sound dumb on camera.
This is stupid. We'll talk with both in the bay. Cause what?
I don't know.
Oh, here, look, here it is.
He
He bit my big toe. I wish you could have seen that. That was Easter. Oh my gosh, my hair was curly.
You'll have to go watch the videos yourself.
We don't have a link. Do you know how to do that?
No, I don't.
We'll try to figure it out.
Yeah! Because I have my smarter cousin here. Brad!
We have a bay with
Brad!
different flavors.
Come here!
I love jelly beans. I feel so fat because when I say that. I have a kitty blanket. You have to see this. Don't fit.
We don't know what they are.
The Jelly Belly jelly beans. But they're not Bean Bamboozled challenge.
I refuse to do that.
I want to do it, but I would not be
Can you
doing
see
the
it?
skunk
You see the
spray
kitties?
because I don't even like black
Can I
licorice.
see it?
So,
Kitties. Kitty
this
blanket
orange one's cute.
in the middle. Yeah, that's adorable.
Brad!
Just eat it anyway. Chris, don't eat it.
What's Jingle? Oh my gosh, that bell bracelet. Okay, so
The color.
um,
The color that you
is it her nephew? Her nephew. Bentley, he found this. Where did he find it?
In the junk pile. He
Okay,
found
in a
this-
junk pile. He found like. Do you know where it's at? It's upstairs, isn't it?
Yes.
I don't want to go in the
get
attic.
it.
Anyways, and he found this like bell bracelet. It has like how many bells does it have on it?
Like 7.
Okay, it has like 7 bells on it.
And she was wearing it.
And
she
she was
took
wearing
it from him and was wearing it.
Yeah, she's kind of a brat. Don't tell her I said that. Is she gonna watch this? Did she
No.
watch your videos?
No.
Okay.
She's so mean.
I didn't know you had this many videos up.
I do. I still have more playing videos, but not very many people are watching them, so I just kind of gave up on them.
What do you have?
Playing videos. As I'm playing.
Ah.
Yeah.
You have dirt in your hair. A lot of it.
They're also ear mites
Oh, that's what that is?
mixed with dirt.
Oh, poor kitty.
They're farm kitties. All farm kitties have them.
He's so skinny and awkward. Look at this. His legs are not the right length.
What is that?
What?
It was an earwig or something.
Oh, please don't like.
No, it's creepy. Oh, there it is!
What is it?
An earwig. Oh, there it is! Right there.
Go get your shoe. Quick, faster.
Yeah.
Get it. Get it, Brad.
Where's it? Die, 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 die.
No.
My phone charger touched it. Die, 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 die,
Oh my gosh, Brad is just like so scared.
It just fell over.
Poor kitty.
Oh.
I'm so sorry.
Ew, I think one of the cats farted. They were so scared. Did you smell that?
No,
Oh.
but it must have screeched. Poor Brad. You scared the crap out of him. He was like, oh my gosh, what's happening? But then again, he was scared of that blanket that's over there on the floor too. Okay, what were we talking about?
Yeah, he was scared of my fleece blanket.
I have issues, I'm sorry. I'll just do this.
So, I don't know what to talk about. Meow. 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 Do you guys ever have conversations with your cat? Or dogs or animals? Comment down below. That's the fridge. Meow.
Brad, shut up.
Meow.
I think he's looking for his mom. Anyways, we were discussing.
You can go get Tiggy Waggy.
I don't want. You can go get her.
I don't want to.
Well, then we're not getting her.
Brad.
I've only worn that dress once.
Other than Easter?
No, just counting Easter. I've only worn it once.
And we have a bag with the different flavors on them.
This challenge took forever. It is 21 minutes.
Hey, where's
long.
Robbie at? What video was he in?
I didn't upload that one.
We don't know what they are. Oh, I know what this one is. This isn't the Bean Boozled challenge. We have to guess the flavors. Oh, I know what this one is.
Bean Bamboozled is lame.
If I ever do the Bean Bamboozled challenge, I will be saving the toothpaste for last.
Okay, we each have
I want to try baby wipes.
So do I.
That sounds so delicious.
It sounds like the taste of a preschool. I like that.
I want to be
smell.
in. Don't.
Or like Barrett's preschool. Have you ever been in Barrett's preschool?
No, quit clawing
Oh
my
my
nose.
gosh, it smells delicious. It smells like cleaning stuff. Oh, he was sleeping. I wanted to show him sleeping, so I...
That one hair isn't curled. What is this? My hair's a mess. You can like, cause there's like a light coming in behind us, and it's overly bright, so you can like see the stray hairs that are coming out of my hair half do thing, whatever it is. Brad, I think we need to just bring them back.
No!
Brad, come here.
Okay, we'll vlog that.
Vlog what? Bring them back?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna put my shoes on then.
Well, I'm gonna carry Screech.
Brad, what are you doing? Okay, you can carry them. And come here. Come on, Brad, let's go.
Okay.
I have to go get my shoes.
Okay, it's still going. I had to make sure. Got my little kitty. She's going to get her shoes on. You can wear grandma's Crocs. You want it?
I don't care if that's bad for me. Why is it upright?
What?
It's gonna look weird. It's gonna look sideways.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Oh, Screech, honey.
Let's go.
I hope he's not the one that scratched the living daylights out of me. I can't close the door. We used to do this all the time. Remember that?
I'm really bad at holding that.
And I fell down the wood pile. Why is that on?
I don't know. Because Barrett never turns it off. Here, give me it. I'll vlog. No, I have to let you do it. I lied.
Okay. Son. Oh, kitty. Oh, kitty. You're okay. I got you.
They have some cat food.
Yeah, because
Cool.
they're not allowed in there anymore. What one cat?
Smokey? Smokey?
Tiger?
I was gonna say, Tiger usually eats the kitten food that these guys get. Screech, I don't know what you're planning on doing going back there.
Okay.
Gonna be held like this? Well, Gizmo's down now. We're just gonna plop him over the edge.
Let's show it in the car.
Okay.
We've already showed them.
Now that we brought it up, you gotta go watch the video too.
Okay, put it so, like how it was in the video.
But when it's this way, then it's crooked.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, because that's how we started the video.
Okay. This
Put it. Oh my god.
is the car.
I don't know how well you can see in there, but anyway.
And then this just opens. And then he was laying there. If you could even see that. Oh, it smells like him in there. Or something else. I don't know what it smells like in there. It smells like that car in there. What? Yeah? What are you doing?
You missed it. Did you get that?
What?
She was sitting up, but then all of a sudden she was like.
Well, I videotaped her when she was on her back. Not her doing it. We should go swimming today. We should. That looks like a palm tree. Not really. Okay. We're back now.
Baby kitties?
There's the baby kitties.
Don't know how well you can do that either. But...
No.
Hear it? No.
There's 4 of them in there.
Okay, no.
Don't let Diamond in either. Okay,
Diamond.
we're gonna go now. Alright, it's a natural habit. Look like that.
Your kitties are not up in here. Come.
Okay, so we're gonna go do something in our tent. Oh, you never got like to see our tent. Okay, so here's the doors. We have this one open at the moment. And here's where one of my cousins slept. That's where she slept. And that's where I slept. And that's my wool blanket I was talking about. It's from Victoria's Secret. Got for Christmas. So I don't know if they still have it. So. Okay. Are we just gonna keep on talking, or are we gonna save some for later?
I don't know. We were discussing. Why are you almost out of space?
Well, I don't know.
Well, I was discussing this.
Okay, I think we're gonna go now.
Yeah.